What are you doing?
I'm already in Prada and yeah, we are enjoying the AC because it's super hot in CABAZON and yeah,
It's gonna be over
it's not
soon.
easy to yeah.
Prada shoes. This one is the one I like. The drivers or loafers, you call it. And then this one. We have some in there too. Probably this one or this one is fine too. This one is 465. Then they have rubber shoes. They have this one. They have sneakers like what I got. What I have, I should say. But this one is New Republic. That one is Prada. Slippers. How much is chinelas? Chinelas is 175 for a chinelas. What? You have three choices though. The blue. And the red. Huh? Yeah, that was cute. It's kind of like the one that you have. But that's good to replace it. I like it. But let's check if it is bulky or not. I like it. And then colorful right there. Or espadrilles. Espadrilles here is this is the outlet, so this is 335. Number one.
No, too small.
This size is 8, but this one is like 6. It runs here like 6.5, so it's smaller. So that one is a no-go. This one is kind of like the same thing that he has. This is the option B. It's kind of like big, no?
It's the same size.
Oh.
It's okay.
Yeah, I like it.
But easy to
This one, Joe will love this. And this one is 445. Oh, look at the shirt. Oh, nice. 155. I like it. The what? Made in what?
Romania.
So that's what he's checking, and then this is what we're checking. So we're gonna be twinning with his and mine. Wow, look at this one, so cute. And then this one is 175. Then this one, wow. This one is 190. This one is cute, like hip. See? This one is 190. So cute. Ta-da! And this gorgeous is 1,420. Oh, Mew Mew. Doing it. The belt.
And then I'm gonna check for this one too, right?
Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll just see you in Costa Mesa.
We're not open right now. We'll be curbside, but
Yeah, I heard.
hopefully sooner or later we'll be open.
Yeah. We usually go. They have the pink one. They have the red one. This one is my favorite. Yeah. So they have a lot of new stuff here. They also have black, and then that's the one on display that they have right now. They have a new ones, and then this one. Oh, the red one is cute. Oh, the bamboo. If you're looking for a bamboo handled handbags, you have some in there. Yeah, this one. Accessories. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's crazy. They have a lot for girls. What is it? Here. This one is
Oh, here.
Chanel S 1600. That's nice. Chanel probably it's like $5,000 with matching skirt.
Look at this one.
Oh wow.
Super
Look
chic.
at that. Wow.
And
How
the
much
price?
is it?
Let's see. 1,000.
1,480. Nice. Ta-da! The belt. Their belt is different too. I like it. Like this one.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I think that one is the glistering shoes. How much are this one, baby? This one is, oh my gosh, this is so heavy because of the crystals.
We should have somebody before the weekend hits. It's always random.
There's no prices lately. I don't know why.
Exactly the time.
There's the silk. 425.
Touch it.
Let's feel it. Oh wow, this is so silky and soft.
Oh, you are here?
Crystal, crystal, crystal.
Kids at 7 to 8.
Ooh,
Oh, that means you're kids.
badass Gucci shoes and the
I did the
boots.
same thing though, but they want you to close kids.
So let's see how much is this gonna be. This
I
one
did a mistake
is,
yesterday.
nope, there's no
They're
price.
like, hey, we close kids for
Hi everybody, I'm really super excited today to show you with Carlo the shopping we did at CABAZON outlet in California in USA. So we went in 3 different stores at Prada, Calvin Klein and Gucci. So let's go. So for starting we will start with this one from Prada. So I present you the box for the product from Prada. So as you can see, you have the logo in like metal but really shiny. So I really like it, it's really fancy. And you have also here the paper, it's like the famous leather of the brand, the Soffiano leather. So now I present you the product we bought in this brand. I show you the presentation. So if you saw already the last video in CABAZON we did, it's exactly the same model of shoes I bought in black color, but the difference, this one is in blue, like a dark blue, and the other type of blue and white. So they are really nice. We have also here the name of the brand Prada, and the other side you can see the size. So please don't laugh regarding about the size of my feet, because I know I don't have a big feet. And it's made in Italia. You have this detail, really original. And you have also the name of the brand here. I don't know if you can see it, but you have Prada just here and here in the 2 sides. This one is in leather too, white leather. And you have also here the couture for really fix it for during the, like that when you will use it, you will be not with the shoes starting to open with the time when it's already older. So it's proof of good quality when they put glue and they do the couture inside. So really good. So I know it's not easy to match this type of colors with your clothes, and it's not like too conventional type of shoes, but it's like a touch of loco, like Carlo, he tells me all the time, like a little too much, but sometimes it's good. I think it's good for the weather of California, so that's perfect. So yeah, regarding about the price, we paid for this one, hold on, $218. So it's still good. It's not really expensive, because normally for this type of shoes you need to spend like $600. So we paid 1/3 of the real price. So when we do this type of shopping, I'm really happy. So let's go for the other one. So we continue with the second one, Calvin Klein. So in the store we bought socks and underwears. So we bought different types of underwears. I show you. So this one, this one too, like that, and look the detail. The tissue, you have a micro pores for not to sweat, so that's really good. And it's really a soft tissue and really lighter, so that's really good. This one also in pink. This one too. I know we have a lot of information printed there, but it's original at least. And so we have this one too. And I know we have a lot, so that's why I do it quickly. The same with the micro pores, so that's really good. Having black. Like that too. And we both socks too. So this one, they are really low when you use it, like that. You can use it with the Prada shoes I have. You can't see the socks, so that's really better. So we have 3 socks here. You have the silicone here for don't move it when you walk, and yeah, that's good. So regarding about the price for Calvin Klein, we spent just $54. $54.24 for 9 products. And how much it's the real price of each underwear. Normally it's supposed to be $28, but because they have minus 80% because of the sales, we paid just $12. We paid just $4.50 per underwear, and we had also another additional 15% because Carlo, he registered his mail address, email, so we paid just like close to $4 each underwear. So it's really so cheap. I think also when you go to at Walmart, you can't find some underwear at this price. So that's really good. It's a good brand, good quality, and good price. Like Sebastian, like you know already. So we can continue. So now we need to done with the last store we did. It's Gucci. So we bought there two articles. So I'll show you. So you can see the presentation, really nice. And this one in dust bag, in silk dust bag. So really fancy. So we bought a scarf. This scarf, really nice. It's really long scarf, and it's with lana, 100% lana. So that's a good one. Made in Italy, of course. And the other one is a belt. I show you how it's nice. I really like because it's just simple. It's not too much or you know, not easy to wear because it's just for really special occasion. This one is like a regular type of belt. You can use it every days, so that's really cool. And I love the leather. It's a brown leather. The other side, but you can't switch it to the other side now because it's fixed. Oh yeah. And here the pendant, like that. So a really nice belt. So that's really cool. So the price of the belt was normally $319, and we paid just $155. So the discount is really good. And regarding about the scarf, we paid $89, and normally it's supposed to be $289. And we saw close of this scarf in brown color, another one in black color, and it was $100 more. So I don't know why you have this difference of price, probably because the people, they prefer the black color than the brown, so they try to sell it for the price a little more higher. But yeah, we took the brown, of course, for match with the brown of the belt also. So yeah, so we are done right now for the unboxing in the different stores in CABAZON. So I hope you really enjoyed, and like always, don't forget to comment, to put likes and subscribe on our channel. And you know, also you have a lot of videos already on our channel. If you want to see it again or discover it, don't forget to do it. And yeah, I hope we will see you for another video. So thank you so much. We love you. Bye bye.